I'm walking down this rocky road, wondering where all my life is leading, rolling on to the bitter end, finding out along the way what it takes to keep living. You should know how it feels, my friend.